Welcome. In this video, I want to show you the different varieties of home canned meats that I have in my pantry. Now, my pantry also consists of store-bought canned meats such as salmon, Spam, canned chicken. And if you're interested in that, I made a video, and if you're interested in that video, I will leave an end card at the end screen of this video. So let's get started. I want to start with my most used canned meat, and that is canned ground beef. I use this in tacos, spaghetti, goulash, pizza casserole, chili. Anything you want to use ground beef in, this canned ground beef will work. Next, this is my favorite. This is a top round roast. It is delicious. Put this in noodles, makes perfect beef and noodles. I make beef Manhattans with this. I also do this in jelly jars. This is about a serving. Next we have chicken breast. This chicken breast is great in dressing. Also, I make chicken salad with this. Makes a really good chicken salad. Now the chicken thighs makes excellent chicken noodles. And I also use this if I'm making chicken gravy. Here we have some turkey. This also great in dressing and makes awesome turkey noodles. Now I have ground turkey here. This basically I use as a substitute when I don't want to use ground beef, say like turkey tacos. Here I have Polish sausage. I was not that impressed with canning Polish sausage. The taste of it is fine. I just don't like the texture of it. Here we have some pork shoulder. A little fatty. You can take a spoon, take the fat off. This makes excellent barbecue sandwiches. And then of course I use it in pork and gravy. Here we have some ham that I canned. A lot of times I'll just cut that up, put it in an omelet, or brown it in a skillet and have it with some eggs. And then we have cubed ham. This is store-bought and cubed ham. I believe this is Farmland brand. I canned this and found, to my taste, it was a little too salty. And we have pork shoulder, which I made some soup out of. Carrots, onions, potato, and some pork shoulder in that. And we have pork loin. This is another meat that is delicious. A lot of times I'll take this, mix it up, put mayo in it, and just have a sandwich. I've also heard this is delicious in dressing. I have not tried it. And then last but not least, I have ground sausage, breakfast sausage. This I put in omelets. Also, is great on pizza. I'll add it as an extra topping on pizza. So there you have it. All these meats, they are delicious, minus the Polish sausage, the texture, and the saltiness of the ham here. All this meat, it may not look the tastiest, but I guarantee you, if you try canning this meat, you will be impressed by the taste of it. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you can other types of meats that I left out here that I don't can, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy prepper shopping.